Hey guys, in this video we're going to continue our jump. So first let's make him jump a little bit higher. I think this value is fair, so let's run our scene and try it. Okay, it's good. Let's play our animation, our jump animation first. Let's add a variable called jumping is jumping, so to make sure that the player is jumping. Okay, so here in the move and slide we have set up vector.up. So this vector.up help us define what is the ground. So now when we use a function called isOnFloor, the vector.up here will tell the Godot in which direction the floor is. So that's why we use vector.up here in the move and slide. So now to be able to jump, we need to check first if the player is on ground. Because if the player is in the air and we spam the space button, the player will keep jumping. So now, if the player is on the floor, he won't be able to jump if he's on the air, only on the floor. So now let's add also and not jump, and the player is not already jumping. Yes, we can only use isOnFloor, but I'm using also not jumping because maybe we want to make later an attack in the air, so it's better to start making everything scalable. So now let's first try. If we spam now the space button, he can jump multiple times. Now let's apply the animation. Okay, so now let's set here jumping equal true. So here, if he's on the floor, we want to send the jumping to false. And if he's jumping, we want to play the animation. Play jump, right? So now let's run. Jump, perfect. But our jump animation is not playing. Okay, let's check why. Okay, yeah, because here we're assigning idle animation while we're on air. So let's add here a small condition that let's actually add it here, that if we are jumping, if we are not jumping, we will assign our velocity to 0 and player anim to idle. Let's now try. Let's write our demo scene. So now if we jump, okay, we can have the jump animation. But now if we walk while jumping, we have this walk animation. So let's also fix this. So here, again, if we're jumping, if we're not jumping, we will play this animation, and here also, if not jumping, let's try it. So now, okay, perfect, we can jump without this walk animation. Everything seems to work fine. Let's check again. Okay, everything seems logically right. So That's it for this video. I hope you like it, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.